Most people think great results come only from hard workouts, but that's not true.
Real transformation comes from consistency, recovery, and good nutrition. Small daily habits lead to big results.
I'm Claire. Fitness is not just training in the gym. It's a lifestyle you build one healthy choice at a time. Fitness is not about being perfect. It's about being powerful in your own life. If you have not yet guessed, I am created by Kneller Fernandes using AI.
If you would like to learn how to create an influencer like me, please watch this video until the end.
From what we saw just now, you can see that the images and the videos are very consistent. The character was almost the same throughout. And if you have not seen my previous video on how to generate these consistent characters, please have a look at that as to how to go about generating these consistent characters. Now in this video, we are going to actually see how to get these videos where these influencers are talking and either walking or doing some sort of activity as well as talking. It could be even singing. And that's how they would actually create the influence, by actually talking, generating feelings in people, and that's how we get them influencing their viewers. So let's have a look.
By the way, in case you would like to earn with AI, please see the link in the description below.
So again, this 3-step process that I talked about is first is to create the prompts. Like I showed you in the previous video, you create the prompts. Then the second thing is to create the consistent characters in different poses, doing different activity possibly. And the third thing is to use an AI model to create motion as well as speech or even singing or song or whatever. So what we're going to use here is Google Flow. So you just type in Google Flow in the browser and you should be taken to a page like this. So the first one is what we're going to click on, and it should take you to this. Now if you see, I already have Flow here. I have availed of Flow. It's a few dollars, or in Indian rupees it's about 1,900 or something like that. But for students it is available free, so you can get the whole Google Studio for free. Okay, so if you're a student, so let's create Flow. I go to create with Flow. I'm going to look at the model VO 3.1. So I'm going to start a new project. So I'm going to start a new project here. I've created some few more consistent characters in Abacus. So I'll download this as well as the next one. I'm going to use these 2 images to animate and make her talk as such. I've also asked ChatGPT to write up a image to video prompt to use in VO 3.1. The previous prompts I asked ChatGPT to write me out, and I'm going to use this prompt in VO, and maybe I'll see how it works. Now when I'm in Google Flow, I want to use frames to video. So that is it. I'm going to put in the prompt here, and I want to change this a bit. Okay, so I say I'm Claire, and then she goes on to say fitness is not just training in a gym, it's a lifestyle you build one healthy choice at a time. And here now we want to add a character. So this is where I'm going to upload the one I just downloaded. So this one which I've just downloaded, and this is the one which she's in the cafe, and I'll crop and save, and let's upload there. Okay, so now I've got the image there and I've got the prompt, and I'll hit generate. So we'll see how fast it generates. So it's giving me 2 generations. So let's see. So it's going pretty quick. It's at 8% already. I can also do the next one. I'll use the next prompt. Okay, what ChatGPT has given, and I'll use the prompt there, and the frame will be the next. I'll upload the next one, which is the one with her in a glamorous outfit. Okay, so it's by default it's taking 2. I can change that in settings if I want, and let's generate this as well. So the first one is generating at 56%, 57% already, and this is at 5. So we'll wait for it to generate and then we'll see what we get. Okay, so let's see. Now it has generated the first video, and let's hear it.
I'm Claire. Fitness is not just training in the gym. It's a lifestyle you build one healthy choice at a time.
So this was a little too long, the speech, but that's why it got cut off. The next thing I can do is, if I want to download it, I can also upscale it, and this is free. It doesn't use any credit, so better is to upscale it. So it's going to start upscaling here, and the other one is still generating. Okay, so it just generated one of the videos there. It gave me some error. So you can see upscaling your video costs 0 credits and it may take a few minutes. So we'll wait for that to happen while the other one is also being generated. So it's keeping on giving me this error, flow is temporarily unavailable. So Google is asking me for some feedback on that. Okay, so let's hear the next one.
Fitness is not about being perfect. It's about being powerful in your own life.
So that also is pretty good. So let's take it from there, and I can download this as well. Let it upscale first and then I'll download the next one which has upscale. So you can see here it's pretty easy to create these videos with talking people as well. So leave a comment as to any questions you have for this, and the next video I'll make it about how to get long videos on all of this. The first thing has been upscaled, you can see. I can download the first thing and then let's upscale the next one as well. I'll download this and I'll upscale it as well, and the next one also is going to cost me 0. Okay.
Thanks for watching this video. Now go and try this yourself.
Also, please feel free to leave your comments and questions in the chat below.
So that's about it, and leave your comments below as to what you would like me to make videos on next. I've told you guys earlier, I've spent over $2,000 in learning some of these techniques. It has been very informative and I want to share that information with you guys. Tell me what you're struggling with regards to AI and I'll hopefully have the answers. If not, I can ask the community in which I am and get you some answers from there. Take care. I'll see you in some of the other videos.